Hi there, students. A sprig. Okay, a sprig is a little stem of a plant, but the tip bit that you break off. So particularly a sprig of parsley. Yeah, so he decorated his dish with a sprig of parsley. Very often I go out into the garden and I pick little sprigs of different herbs to decorate the plate with. Okay, so it's normally a little bit, probably about that big, that you break off the end, and it's got a couple of leaves, several leaves on it, and it's a growing shoot. Yeah, you could have a sprig of basil or a sprig of thyme or a sprig of laurel or bay. Yeah, a sprig of mint. Okay, and yeah, you use these sprigs very often to decorate things with. Yeah, you could decorate a Christmas tree with sprigs of holly. Yeah, in this plant with the points, and maybe it's got one or two berries on. If you attach sprigs of holly to your Christmas tree, that would look really nice. Okay, so it's just a little piece. Or maybe you have a candle and round the base you put sprigs of different plants. Notice this word clearly is related to the word a twig. Now a twig is very close, but it's slightly different. A twig is a small thin branch from a tree or a bush. Yeah, but it doesn't have any leaves. It's just a piece of wood. Yeah, if you take a large sprig and leave it to dry, and then you take off the leaves, well, the stem that you've got left is a twig. So a twig is rather different to a sprig. In pottery, when they make a vase or something decorative, very often they attach little sprigs to it. These are little moulded pieces that go on to give it a design. I think very often these were in the shapes of leaves and things like that. Okay, so a sprig. I guess you could also say that he is a sprig of this lineage of descent, of somebody, of a line of a genealogy or a genealogical tree. Okay, but a sprig, a small shoot from the tip of a plant. Yeah, next time you cook something, try going out into the garden and decorating it with little sprigs, little shoots of laurel and parsley or different herbs. That's the idea. So a sprig, I think, yeah, maybe you could take a sprig and put it in your buttonhole. Yeah, although if it's flowers collected together, that's probably called a posy. Yeah, so a sprig, 5 in formality, use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, there was an old English word sprig meaning a shoot, and the words sprig and twig are clearly both related to this. Okay, so a sprig of a plant, they're very nice little things. I quite enjoy decorating food with sprigs of different herbs and things. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sprig.